Yo-ho! Prof here. And today we have the last of the V-Forces tins, and that is the Lucario one. I do have two more, but I'm not going to be cracking them open because I only need one of each for, in this case, Pokemon pulls. We're interested in pulling different things. But if you guys are interested in picking one up, hit me up over on Twitter, and because I'll probably be selling these at some point. There's our picture for the social media. Maybe back a little bit more too. But yes, so I have two more Lucario V-Forces tins that are up for grabs. I think they're about $30 roughly. But yeah, so let's check out what is inside this. One of three foils. We know this is the Lucario V. We got 4 boosters, which should be 2 Vivid Voltage, 1 Sword and Shield, and 1 Break Point. Not Breakthrough, Break Point. So let's get a cracking on this one here. This stretches a lot more than being cut. If I actually put the blade into it, I could cut it. So I'm worried about wrecking the tin. So, alright. So we have Lucario V-Forces tin. Pop in the top. I think of these, the Mew looked amazing. This Lucario looks pretty dope as well. And I believe these cards, the other two were from Darkness Ablaze. They're based on Darkness Ablaze cards for promo cards. And this one looks to be I believe that's Champion's Path. I've opened very few Champion's Path because all of mine that have come have been knockoffs. Or not knockoffs, like repacks from Amazon Warehouse. So I've barely opened any Champion's Path packs. Though I know what all the bad cards are. I tell you what. Alright, let's take a look here. Here's the Lucario V in here. Looks sick. Like I said, I believe it's a Champion's Path based one. Got labeled up V-Forces tin Lucario V there. And in here we have 2 Sword and Shields as expected. Oh, Fat Pikachu. 2 Vivid Voltage, 1 Sword and Shield, and 1 Break Point. And we have the paper packing that I would actually really appreciate in more US tins. Might not store as well or whatever, but it's a lot less waste. How much realistically, I have like a huge garbage of just plastic from these things. Alright, let's do some pulls here. First, Vivid Voltage. We got a white back. Hey, Gertie Truth. She's super happy right now. Wanting attention. If you guys are interested in online codes, you gotta hit me up over on Twitter at the Prophecist. Let me know what video you watched and which pack you're interested in, and I'll send one over. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm feeling Steel. Psychic. Ooh, I saw something back there. Yep, definitely saw something back there. Cheating. Pinkerton. I like that art. A lot of Pinkerton art. It's good. Loud Red. That's actually really cool art. That reminds me of Katamari, like Katamari Damacy sort of thing. Let me know if you guys get the same vibe or not. Memory Capsule. Charmander. That's actually a really good looking Charmander. Chatot. Joltik. Cottony. Mudbray. Reverse Hollow Shuckle. I'll take a Shuckle. And then we get a Talonflame V. We just literally pulled one of those. So if you guys need a Talonflame V, hit me up. Best ways, like I said, Twitter, just because I'm most active there. Otherwise, if you do it comments or Instagram, I'll find you. Just make sure you add me. Either the channel at Tech Exchange though, or my personal account at the Prophecyst. But yes, decent pull. However, a pull I already had, and I'll take that shuffle. Alright, we got a Vivid Voltage Fat Pikachu. What I really want to pull is the Fat Pikachu. Haven't even seen what the Fat Pikachu looks like. Haven't looked it up. It's because I want to first see it when I pull it. Okay, that was a tight pull there. Yeah, these are a little soft on the smells here. We got Greenback. Let's hope for the best still. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm guessing Electric Energy. Steel. Did I just guess Steel last time? Okay, we got Nuzleaf, Memory Capsule, Girafarig, Riolu, Chimecho, Nincada, Voltorb, Rockruff, Reverse Hollow Shiftry, and a freaking dope looking Jolteon. If this Pokemon has a memory capsule attached, water Pokemon have no abilities. Interesting. Because it's weak against water, I assume. No, its weakness is fighting. I could rock that. Jolteon, though, would look even better as a hollow, though. Alright, so next up is our Sword and Shield pack. Open up real fast, like. Greenback as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy. Okay, we got a Rotom Bike, Drizzle, Bisharp, Rhyhorn, Rookidee, Krabby, kind of cool, Krabby, Grookey, Mudbray, Reverse Hollow, Sandaconda, that's got a bunch of wear on the edge or misprinting, and then a Dreadnought, rare non-hollow. I'm pretty sure I was seeing a Cobra already. Alright, and our last pack of the last V Forces tin, the XY Breakpoint. You get some nice stuff out of this one. Not as good as the Breakthrough, in my opinion, but still cool things here. I mean, it had the Mega Sizor that we just pulled. Greenback, 1, 2, 3 on the XY series. And we have a Cloyster that I just pulled as a reverse hollow in no hollow. Cricketune, which I didn't even know was a thing. Looking dope. Max Elixir. C-Dot. Shelder with his tongue sticking out. Awesome action shot there. Chikorita. What? Looking through like a warp tunnel? What the heck is going on there? Froakie, just chilling in the sun. Bacon. Oh, that's a really cool card. Clefairy there. Nuzleaf. That looks actually really dope for a reverse hollow. And then a Seismitoad rare non-hollow. Alright, well that caps off all of the V-Forces tins that we're opening. The 2 I have left will either be saved for when I run out of things to open, or when one of you guys buys them. So let's recap here real quick. The pulls we had here. Here's the included promo card. Lucario V, looking freaking dope. We got Reverse Hollow Shuckle. I can appreciate Shuckle. Talonflame V, the second one of those. Shift Free, Reverse Holo. Sandaconda, Reverse Holo. And Nuzleaf for Reverse Holo, which actually looks pretty dope. So, this is probably the worst of the three, to be truthful. But, Lucario looks pretty freaking dope. If you enjoyed it, hit a like, subscribe. Expect some stuff to come up next, like the spring 2020 Pokeballs will be coming up. We have the Galar Partners tin. I don't have the new partners yet. And some other packs we have, and maybe probably some battle styles. So keep an eye out, hit subscribe, notify, and if you want to make sure you get our latest content, I would say follow at Tech Exchange on Twitter or Instagram, as I do message out when the latest videos go live. So hopefully we'll see you next. If there's anything you think I can improve, hit me up. I'll, always out there to improve. While I have some fun. So we'll see you in the next one, and you guys have a good one.